and welcome to today's Ask the Attorney. I am joined by D.W. Scott with D.W. Scott Law, and we're talking about accidents today. Sir, you see a lot of these with the people that you work with. What's the difference between, say, a large truck accident and just a normal standard automobile?
So, Nicole, we can start with the obvious. A large truck is obviously a lot bigger than the average car SUV that you and I drive. You know, my SUV may be 5,000 pounds, the average car may be 3,000, 4,000 pounds. These trucks are tens of thousands of pounds, 70, 80,000 pounds, so they can cause a significant collision without having to go very fast. Another big difference is the insurance coverage. So you and I, the state requires us to carry a minimum of $25,000 in coverage. These large trucks have to carry a minimum of $750,000 in coverage because of the large amount of damage that they can do. It's not uncommon in my practice to see coverages of $1 million.
Wow. You know, and I wonder, just out of curiosity, you know, a lot of these truck drivers are driving hours on end.
Right,
Does
yeah.
that worry you in your line of work?
Well, that's a great question. So the truck drivers are regulated. So the drivers just can't drive hours on end. There are a certain amount of hours that they're capped at, as well as the rest time. So they have to maintain these logs, and those logs should reflect that they have not gone over those set amount of hours.
If somebody at home has had a bad experience with a large truck driver, what can you do to help?
Right, so they should call me right away, because as a personal injury attorney, I can contact the right people to download black box data. Black box data, we hear about that with airplanes, but the big trucks have them as well. That can be key in determining liability, you know, the direction of the vehicle, how fast the vehicle is going, things of that nature. And you don't really want to pay for that on your own, and you don't want to worry about contacting those people. As a personal injury attorney, I'm used to dealing with that.
D.W. Scott Law, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Nicole.